For today's brunch recipe, we're going to make Thai tapioca with creamy coconut topping. This is how you eat it, mixing the salty, creamy coconut milk with the sweet tapioca.
Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of brunch recipe, we're going to make one of my favorite Thai dessert, Thai tapioca with creamy coconut topping. You will love it.
The main ingredients are tapiocas and coconut milk. We need 1.5 cup of the mixtures, and it's flexible. You can put anything. I love to put corn, taro, and young coconut meat. Here, this is how I slice the corn. I prefer the fresh corn, but if you don't have it, the canned one is fine as well. All you need to do is just slice it. That's it. For taro, peel the skin first and then cut it into 1 centimeter cubes. If you don't have taro, you can use water chestnuts, or you can just use only corn, because corn will give you the natural sweet. Coconut meat is optional, but however, it's very easy to get the coconut in a can. When you get it, it's gonna come in the water like this, and all I do is just slice it into pieces. That's all. Let's start cooking. Bring water to a boil and add half cup of tapioca. Stir time to time because you don't want it to stick together or burnt at the bottom. Cook at medium-high for 5 minutes. Then add taro. Taros take longer time to cook. That's why we add taro first. Cook another 8 minutes. So the total of cooking now is 13 minutes. You will see that the tapioca is expanding. You will see more of the clear color, and the white spot is smaller right now. Add half cup of corn and half cup of young coconut meat. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. By now, the tapioca will absorb most of the water. The texture should be mushy and lumpy like porridge, and it will be thicker when it gets cooled down. Now we're going to add half cup of sugar and a little bit of salt. Mix it well together and turn off the heat. It's cooked. It's done. Let me show you how good it is. Now it's time to make coconut topping. This step should take only 3 to 5 minutes. First, we're going to add all of the ingredients in the saucepan or in a small pot before we turn on the stove. Mix it well together and turn the heat on to medium heat. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes, and the consistency should be creamy like this. Done. Now it's time to put it together. You can have it warm or cold. I normally have it in a cup so that I can have it right away, and the rest of them I put it in the plastic container so that I can keep it in refrigerator. It will last for a week. To make it even more special, I love to add the fresh fruit on the top. Raspberry, blueberry, strawberry, or any kind of fruit will work. You can prepare this dessert for the next day party or to give it away to your family or friends. One recipe you normally can make 4 cups, but I double it so that I can give away to my family and friends. For this one, when you actually have it, you have to eat a coconut and the tapioca at the same time. This is so good. You will love it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumb up.